Good morning, it's Peter here on Doxie in the series of Peter and Doxie sailing from New South Wales to Queensland. And in Queensland we are, specifically Rosslyn Bay, where I've now been probably for a week or so. If you haven't followed previous videos, basically my engine, which was a Volvo Penta 2003 on my sailboat, an Orenz 33, basically gave up the ghost. So I've been looking at options to get a replacement, of which there were several, some way more expensive than others. But I was contacted a few days ago by a person I met who was very helpful then too, down in the New South Wales coast, who said he actually had a beta marine engine, 30 horsepower with only 100 odd hours on the clock. So yeah, that looks like the way we're going to go. I've just had another friend here, and together we've just gone through and measured everything, because I don't trust myself to do anything. I haven't really slept last night, so my eyes are like proverbials in the snow. We've measured that all up. We've satisfied ourselves that everything should fit and fit well. There's quite a generous engine compartment in the Orenz 33 sailboat, so obviously that is going to stand us in good stead. So what I'm doing now is contacting the seller of that engine, so we can arrange to get it shipped. And I've also just sent an email to the marine mechanics here in Rosslyn Bay to see if they can slot that in, and whether I can send the engine directly to them. So more to come on that. Once again, thank you to all those people who've been so generous too for your little donations. It's not that I'm looking for donations at all, but yeah, go and buy yourself a beer, mate, was very, very appropriate. So thank you. Much appreciated. So yeah, I guess I got to go and pay the marina now for another month, simply because that's the cheapest way to go. Even if in the unlikely event that I leave here in 3 weeks, I would still be ahead anyway. So, and I can't see that being all done and dusted in that time, but you never know your luck. So, yeah, I'm about to go up and do that. I might go into Yeppoon, just pick up a parcel that's there, and yeah, come back and probably have some lunch. So it has just got sunny again, and it was cloudy and everything. It was 84% humidity this morning. That's probably the other reason I didn't sleep very well, other than my mind racing. Yeah, the humidity was through the roof. It was, you're walking along and it's almost like little pinpricks of water, coming against you as you're walking forward. So anyway, the sun's now come along, burned it all off, and now it's going to get really warm, but the solar panels love it. Anyway, let's see what the day brings. Oh, what does the day bring? Goodies! That's nice. Special friend sent that, and I can't open it now. There we go. Yeah, I think we can put that to good use. Very nice. Thank you so much. Alright, well, I am picking up a friend from the airport in her car later on this evening. I thought I'd just take the opportunity to go a little bit earlier, maybe take a scenic route, and also maybe just pick up a couple of things in Rocky that I can't get here. So all good. Nice view here. This is the north side of Yeppoon. Can't remember the name of the hill. Great Keppel, obviously, North Keppel. All the algae on the water there. You can smell it. It is certainly the smell of the area. Up north to Byfield National Park. So as we talked about a few days ago when I went for that walk to the bluff, These are some of the many volcanic plugs around the area, where the lava basically that was inside the volcano remains, and the rest of the volcano just washed away over time. Some amazing outcrops, all shapes and sizes, on a pretty much a very flat landscape otherwise. So it's quite remarkable. So over the millions of years, what was left of the what was the volcanic cone basically has just washed away, just leaving the hard rock behind. I'm heading now to Capricorn Caves, which is just north of Rockhampton, going through some of this countryside. Here we are at Capricorn Caves. Well, this must be them. Let's see what we can find. So the limestone caves here at Capricorn Caves are of a limestone origin and have been formed by chemical weathering. So the makeup basically is marine sediment and corals from the Devonian period, around about 390 million years ago, so probably before the dinosaurs even. And yeah, over time, rainwater and carbon dioxide with a bit of acidic content basically have worn through the calcium, I guess, and caused all the fissures and different formations that we see here. This was a bit of a dissolutionate process, which basically started creating the chambers and fissures and cracks that we see today. They're actually known as dry caves as well, as water no longer plays a part in their formation at all. The area here being very dry and the caves being above ground, basically inside limestone outcrops. Highlight here was the Cathedral Cave, where the sound quality is better than the Sydney Opera House. It's just a huge amphitheatre with very amazing qualities and formations, and when the lights were turned off we experienced absolute darkness, cave darkness. And yeah, it is, you can imagine the horror if people get lost in caves and have that kind of darkness to try and find their way out of. On the way out, we were given the choice to go out through the zigzag path, and that was really constrictive. The width was narrower than my shoulders, so it was quite a wormy thing to get through there. Well, I'm going to go and find myself something to eat here in Rocky. Yeah, the caves are amazing. I didn't see much talking in there, but yeah, especially the cathedral part and the lights and the sound quality. But yes, all the lights off. Absolute cave darkness. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, I am going to find something to eat. So yeah, thanks for following along, and yeah, and the comments and everything else, all the support. Really appreciate it so much. Anyway, sun's going down. This is Dawn Raider, out.